Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a countdown timer to a landing page in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click Landing Pages, open the landing page you want to edit, then click Edit. The drag and drop page builder will open. From the Elements panel, find the countdown timer block, drag and drop the countdown timer onto your landing page. Now click the timer to customize its settings, choose the date and time when your countdown will end. You can also select the time zone and customize the timer's appearance, including its size, colors, and layout to match your branding. Position the timer near your headline, offer, or call to action button so visitors can easily see it. A countdown timer creates urgency and encourages visitors to take action before time runs out. Once you're happy with the design, click Save. Then click Publish to make your updated landing page live. Finally, preview the page to make sure the timer displays correctly. That's it. You've successfully added a countdown timer to your GetResponse landing page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.